how you can put two videos close to each other. So I'm just gonna go here and click on import media. So here I just clicked on import media and I just dragged two videos. I added two videos, and now here I have two videos. Now I have the first video here. I like to put it on the other side, so they're like two. Just gonna grab this video and move it on top of the other one. Now I don't have background. I don't need any background, any noise. And if you're doing this, as you can see, will remove actually the video if you want to remove the audio. And that's because we have selected this link selection. Now I check that, and now I'm gonna remove. I'm gonna select, move here. Now I'll just click on the first one. I'm gonna go to effects here. I'm gonna write crop. I'm gonna drag and drop this effect to this video. And now here, if you click on effects control, you're gonna have this crop effect. Now we can crop from left and from the top, but now only from the right. And now I'm gonna click on the video. You can click on motion and you can move the video to this side. You can increase the size. You can also click on here, and then you have position. You can move from here as well. You can increase the scale from here. Now we're going to click on the other video. You can click on move motion here and can drag the video to this side, to this side. Now we have two videos placed on both sides to the other side. So two videos placed on one side and the other side. And now I'm just gonna click on the pen tool or P shortcut, and I'm gonna click at the top here and one at the bottom. And now here we have shape, and of course now we have feel, and we can also add some stroke if you want. And here we can add some stroke and increase the stroke like so. And we have now our graphic here. Let's select and move here, and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.